Ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi. Eze-Ana, Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma nyeje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma nyeje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ga-adị, ugochitubelu ga-adị, ugochitubelu temple ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa chacha, ndị ụka erighị anyị front and back, ndị oche eri anyị front and back. Faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo, si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma. Bulu Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ, mepekwa chọọchị fa, okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana, ugochitubelu oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche, deep consultation. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụkwazị ọdịnala evangelist, so you can call me a priest or an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, on the program, I want to put today's topic is sacrifice is not charm. Sacrifice is not charm. That is today's topic. Believe in me, if you pay attention to today's topic, you will learn a lot today. Because what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. I want the bandage to fall from their eyes so that you'll be able to see clearly on how things work in creation. Before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. I want to thank each and every one of you, our children of the temple and our friends all over the world. This to see that our New Year Festival and annual festival for the children of the temple came to pass. It was a huge success. So I thank each and every one of you, both people that supported, both spiritually and moral support and financial support as well. I'm proud of you guys. Then, for our fans all over the world, people that did not attend, soon you will see it in our YouTube channel, Ogbuefi ugochitubelu. You also see it in Ezeoku TV platforms. Then, another announcement, don't forget that our monthly ritual of September is still ongoing. Our monthly ritual is a group sacrifice for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. We started it almost 3 years now. And one good thing about it is that you can join us anywhere you are all over the globe, because Ikechukwu will do. This morning I have gone to the temple to speak, make positive declaration upon the lives of those that join us. Yes, I will keep doing this the same way till the end of the month. We visit the water with eatable things to offer sacrifices and saraka on behalf of God. Then we proceed back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers, including Ram, Faja, on behalf of all. I can tell you there's benefit, good benefit, nature at sacrifice. But a sacrifice is greater than charm. Believe in me, we have lots of testimony, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or in Ezioku TV. You know why? It's not necessary, not why you are here. But I can tell you, there's power in this group ritual. Can you go big? So if you are interested in joining for this month or upcoming month, what you have to do is to chat me on WhatsApp. Forward your 3 prayer requests. We keep it in the temple throughout the month. Then make token donation to the account number. Or if you have any question in today's topic, chat me on WhatsApp. If you are following us on Ezeoku TV, that number you are seeing on the screen of the television, you can reach me via that number too. WhatsApp number is 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672 or 0813 82 43 871. I repeat 0813 82 43 871. Let's now proceed. Like I said before now, the topic of today is sacrifice is not charm. Let's proceed. What is charm? Let's start from what is charm. Charm is a formulation of things like bringing together, combining of various vibrations and energy. So it became formulated stuff. And like you all know, every formulated stuff created, because once you formulated it, you have created it by your own wish. By so the whatever that is created is living between the time and space. And the formulation of those charms we are talking about could be as a result of bringing herbs, leaves, animals, whether lower and higher animals. The ability to bring those things together, mix them together to formulate a significant wish, and giving it a mandate and for a purpose, then that makes it a charm. Then, and we all know too that charms are into two versions: positive charms and negative charms. Yes, but today we want to emphasize more on the negative charms. Negative charms has negative vibrations too. What I would like to give some examples of negative charms. Those negative charms that have negative vibration includes any charm you formulated for a purpose of hypnotizing others, for the purpose of boycotting the natural principles. Any charm you formulate to boycott the natural process, then it becomes charm. Now, in those negative charms, most of them is to hypnotize others, to manipulate others, to make money illegitimately. And when your intention and wish from the ongoing is corrupt, is negative, because it's all about you. That your intention lack genuine love. And by so doing, it becomes negative. Yes, because your intention is not to protect yourself. There is a difference between what you are doing for your own benefit, for your own safety, then you apply all the safety measures. There is difference between that. Now, if what you are doing is for your own well-being, to protect your business, to protect your environment from invaders, to protect yourself, then that one is natural. But once what you are thinking about is the charm to hypnotize somebody, to make the person to lose his sense of reasoning, in order to, yes, you are trying to coerce the person. Hmm? Now, by so doing, it becomes negative because the even intention from ongoing is negative. It's selfish. It lacks love. So whatever you are doing on earth, in order to follow the natural principle, must be an action. Yes, you perform out of sincere love for yourself and for others. So because that is the natural principle given to man. Do unto others what you would like them to do to you. Are you following? So you must be considerate of this thing I'm about to do. Is it self-centered? Is it selfish? Does it lack love? If it lack love, then it's not even negative. So in let me mention some well-known charms people normally like to do. We have something like okite, we have unite, we have uh, uh, um, okibubo, uduakomiri, arabaka, and rest of them. So many names given, both kinugun and kinugun. I don't want to go more than this, but sometimes the names some people give is so deceitful. Yes, because some will give it the name that it will sound pleasant, it will sound very nice. But the intention of the formulator, your intention, what did you tell the person that want to formulate it to you? So if your intention is selfish and self-centered, and your intention is manipulative, that makes it negative. So why I ask you not to be doing negative charms, because um negativity beget negativity. Ihe ọjọọ na-amụta ihe ọjọọ. For the fact that their intention wasn't good from the one, for the fact that they are committed negative vibration, have this negative vibration, negative intention that is self-centered. Now, once you commit it, in order to cover that one, you commit again. That is why sin begets sin. Because once you commit, in order to defend the one you have committed, you commit it again. So those negative vibrations, and you would like to remain on top. So you keep on adding so many things. So in order to continue where you stop, you keep on going deeper and deeper. And by so doing, that negative formulation, that is charm, we keep on gathering momentum, keep on getting strength by your own volition, by your own intention and longing. You keep on gathering strength, and I can tell you, keep on gathering strength. Time will come when it will gather enough momentum. And once you gather that enough strength, believe in me, if you cannot get something outside, you can get something inside from where you. Are you getting it? So because the thing you formulated lack genuine love and natural principle. So why I ask you not to be indulge yourself in anything that is negative, because every negative thing you saw your hand in must flow back to you, to originality. Yes, because the law of nature is whatever you sow is what you do. So are you always have intention to cut corners? Let me give you an example. Yesterday, a guy chatted me on WhatsApp. He told me how he have suffered how his family is suffering, this and that. He told me that he's planning to enter what for his mind. He call it secret society. As in for his mind, he want to make money. And I laugh at him. I told him that some look youth of nowadays actually don't understand how things work. Sometimes because of ignorance, some normally dive into something that they don't understand with intention that is not good because actually they don't have real understanding of how those things work. But today, your bandage will fall for your eyes if you can pay attention for me to open your eyes to tell you how things work. Because sometimes over expectation and sometimes if you know even know that even in Ordinana, some people think that Ordinana is all about get rich quick. That I ask you to be at peace with your forces, to be at peace with your spiritual forces does not mean that you will get rich quick. No, Ordinana is not all about get rich quick. No, that you uh, ask you to be at peace with your chief, at peace with your ancestors, does not guarantee that you will become Dangote tomorrow. No, wealth has principles. Why I ask you to be at peace with your forces is for you to not to be indebted. Yes, for you to clear your path so that no negative vibrations will be a stumbling block. Then you work hard. It's what you work out. The work of your labor is what you eat. So don't understand it that Ordinana Igbo is all about making you get rich. No. Why Ordinary Igbo is for you to clear your path, to be sure that you are not indebted to anybody or any spirit. Then you work hard to build personal relation with you more so that you get that inspiration needed. Yes, for you to explore. Then that is what you should know. Then some people normally don't understand it because I told you before that Nollywood help to bastardize everything because especially Nigerian Nollywood. Because what they will always be showing people who is secret society films, showing all those manner of things that are not real. That are not these things are imagination of the script writer or even the director. Those things are not real, not factual. You understand? Some people will be thinking that there is a place where you can go, you say God you can go, you can money will be coming. Who does that? It's not true. Let me give you an example. Let me mention names for example's sake. If you ask average Nigerian youth today that you want to make join secret society, like the young man that chatted me last night. Yes, he told me that he want to join secret society. Ask him which secret society he want to join. He can tell you there is this secret societies you normally see. Okay, let me give you an example. If you are walking on the street of Onitsha, Lagos and whatever, you will see some people that will carry signboard hang on the wall, on the pole, telling you that you should join the Baha temple of Indian Hindus, this and that. Put phone number there. Okay? If you chat that person that will claim to be the spiritual head, that will claim to be the grandmaster, okay, they will scam you. Nothing like that. They will tell you to pay maybe so amount of money to become a member, okay, your money is gone. It doesn't work like that. You understand? Some people can even come to social media be telling you that you want to join the Illuminati, they give you money. All those things is abracadabra. Okay, you will lose. This young boy, I told him that with this greediness, he will fall a victim of scammers. Would they have adro? Example, let me give you some intentions we used to know when I was even growing up as a little boy. That time we say once we say people criminalize everything and they give naming. You know, some people, I of ignorant people normally call names. Some people will mention secret society, they will tell you Olumba Olumba, they will tell you Ekanka, they will tell you Grey Message, they will tell you Freemason, they will tell you Illuminati, this and that. Okay, those people don't give money. Take it from me. So if anybody is telling you that he joined secret society to make money, the person is just deceiving you. Because those things you are even calling secret society are no longer secret. There's nothing like secret there. The only thing that makes you to feel that they are secret is because of where you are coming from. Maybe your pastor have brainwashed you and tell you that this is a secret. No, you understand? All those things doesn't work the way you think. Let me tell you, yes, based on my own findings, I can tell you those people you just call is just an open sect that you can become their member if you so wish. Just acquire knowledge. Yes, just acquire knowledge. Nothing like anything that is money. Anything that is money. I keep telling people that money is just a legal tender created by a country, and each country has their own legal tender. It's a paper legalized and call it money. In the spiritual realm, nothing like money. Yes, nothing like money, because money is just money. Which day go to your Google, which year was the first money created? As in this note we are seeing or coin. Previously in the world, we use so many things as money in the long thousands of years, even millions of years the world have lasted. I can tell you there was a time they used precious stone, what time they used even a guy or in the center. There's so many. It's just the world that's said by pattern. The world is just revolving. At a certain time now, you can see now, before our eyes, some companies abroad created what they call Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a imaginary money created by some certain company and give it value. Yes, I remember those days. Even the main Bitcoin was created. That time, Bitcoin is very cheap. Bitcoin is almost about 300 naira. But today, go and check Bitcoin. They will be telling you thousands of naira. I can tell you some people that created it imaginary money. And I can tell you maybe in the next 50, 100 years, people will start using Bitcoin in so many, very open. You understand? So you will start talking. Money is just created of man. So what the spirit does is, if you are at peace with spirit, you will be mentored. Like the way I normally mentoring you to tell you how you can be doing your spiritual exercise. What is spiritual exercise? It's time you created by yourself to focus for your meditation and to connect with your spiritual forces. That is meditation. And while meditating, you ask your forces to give you inspiration. That is inspiration of what must you be doing in order to provide services to mankind. Believe in me, once your mind gives you what services you will provide them, you earn money. Like the people that created this Android and whatever gadgets you are seeing, it's innovation, it's inspiration. And by creating, okay, let me use Techno as an example. As the founders of Techno, out of their imagination and the innovation and the listen, they grab the intention perfectly. They will go into it and develop a beautiful Android, and we customers will buy, give them money. So if you are whatever you are, you can be able to provide services. I can tell you, people will pay you for your services. So what is important is don't be in a hurry. Take your time to build a brand, build a system, learn so many things. The world is so easy nowadays, I can tell you, because with help of internet, you can go there and browse so many things. I remember some lectures I gave in 2015 concerning so many things. Yes. So what I can tell you is that if you go to Google, let me tell you what will shock you. You know that if you go to Google, you're a book writer. You're a book writer. You can go to Google and research so many works done by some professors and some university deans. And after reading those works, then you analyze it based on your own concept and add one or two, and from the what you understand from various authors you have read, then add their own input. It become a new work. There are some people that I know, some people that make money from ebook. How they got the concept? They got the vision. Then they want you to go to the visual internet. If you want to talk about internet marketing, example, we have thousands of people that have written something about internet marketing. Then read all of them, dissect it. After dissecting it, then add their own understanding based on what you understand from what you just read. By so you formulate your own book. Are you following? So research, what I'm telling you guys, research is very simple. So what sacrifice does? Sacrifice is never a child. What is sacrifice? Sacrifice is an act to sacrifice, to give out something in order to create a noble environment, to be at peace. Example, do you know that if two people are friends, one person must have been sacrificing for that relationship to continue? Do you know? Even in families, someone must have been sacrificing a lot to uphold the unity and peace of a family. Do you know? Again, even in friendship, for you to have a cordial relationship with your friend, either you are cheating him or the person is cheating you. Yes. So that is what you can understand. And the ones you refuse to offer your own sacrifice to maintain the brotherhood, to maintain the friendship will crumble. That is exactly what is happening to this my blood people. There's the P square of a thing. The problem sets in immediately. They start to analyze. This one is bringing little. This one is bringing higher. This one is bringing the thing crumble. It cannot hold water again. But had it been, even if you are the one bringing the what needed most, you put it as a sacrifice for that union, brotherly union, and for that peace square to continue. But as case maybe you can see they couldn't continue sacrifice, because let me tell you, there is no way two people are in partnership. There is no way two of them will put the same equal power. It's not possible. So for that reason, for that relationship to continue, somebody must be putting more. And they decide, he knows too well that he put more, but he allow it to be. That is sacrifice. So sacrifice is all about giving out something, whether it could be money, it could be time, it could be your intelligence, it could be animal sacrifice, it can be anything. But the thing is, what is yours, originally yours. Let me give an example. Every end of the month, I buy eatable things, then to go to rivers, to offer those sacrifice to those living things therein, both elemental beings and other creatures of Almighty Father. Now, those things, they didn't live in the water. They did not sweep even my compound for me. They did not do anything. They did not wash my clothes. However, I did it out of genuine love, to show love to God's creature. And whenever I give them, they understand that this thing is not particle, it's not earthworm, it's not mud. When they see sweet banana, they know that this thing is something very unique. They have not tested it. If they must have tested it, it comes from people that normally come and do saraka. So they enjoy it and they will say, oh, Chukwu, okay, whatever that brought Eze-Ana here to offer this saraka to us, may he wish be granted. You know that even children, motherless baby home children you visit, they knew whenever you are coming with those indomie, tissue, toiletries, and the rest of them, they knew that this thing is not their right. They are coming there to show love. However, they will pray, because they understand that they don't deserve it. You are not owing them anything. This thing you just did is one act of love. It becomes sacrifice. So even when you see somebody down and be advising the person, if the person proves to be someone that is interested in learning, that you transfer knowledge to someone to better the person, is sacrifice. So what sacrifice is all about? Why I ask you to be doing sacrifice? One, by doing sacrifice, you are building what I call PR, personal relations. Why I ask you to do sacrifice to your chi, to your ancestors, to Aja and Abednego, to Ndabugi, is just to be at peace with them. And once you are at peace with them, believe in me, they will always intercede. Oh, this one is one of us. This one is my friend. Because when you build the personal relation with more the spirits, they will be there in the world of spirit to fight your battle. They will be there to watch your back because you have built personal relation with them. So, like anyway, even if I'm in my house, I offer sacrifice to my chi. At the end of the day, after killing the fowl, as case may be, with all those rituals, maybe after cooking it with yam, I will still go and give it to them. I know it's not my chi that will use his mouth to come and chop those things. It's other things. Ekereke. Gaberie. Whenever they are eating it, they will be thanking, oh, my chi ga na-enwe aṅụrị maka na o nwego ihe ekereke na-eri ihe enyere ya. Example, yesterday someone I can celebrate New Year festival. Somebody that I normally buy things from, yes, came to my house early morning and brought a chicken. That is all layers. This artificial destiny to my house to say, hey, thank you. Want to use this to celebrate the New Year festival for me. The same day, I gave it out to somebody. I don't eat those agric some stuff. I gave it out to somebody. Are you following? But when she brought it, I was so happy because she remembered me. So I prayed for her that, see, since you have this mind to give me something, may the universe bless you, may my forces bless you abundantly. I was so happy. However, giving it out to people to drink gladdens my heart. Are you following? The same way, Yachi is spirit, it doesn't have flesh. It's only even the jinn or cook they win up with their father or brought you area. Are you following? Because God, even in danger area, because those spirit doesn't have flesh. Do you know why you feel hungry? It's because of your flesh and blood runs in your vein. Therefore, you need to nourish them. But spirit doesn't eat. So what spirit does is that whenever you even call your chichi on your make an angle was that's in come back in egg, let you walk of ya, you do Emasaraka or Toya for Teta Memprance. Oh, I say, Obuja not one door, they said, nah, one walk in the Sigurami yet that. On you, no one is Sigurami yet that. I didn't want any more. Whenever other people are eating it and they rejoice, they are too happy. Are you following? So it was according. So why man in the area no sacrifice. So sometimes some of those things you are taking to less privileged home or orphanage home or even the home of the aged. So sometimes not all of them will do those things, but they're happy that you came to visit them. So sacrifice is all about, it's not all about money. Sacrifice is to be at peace with your spiritual forces. Remember your ancestors. Celebrate like me. Every 1st January, I offer sacrifice. Sometimes I kill ram. I kill cow to celebrate. That is my ancestral day. So you must have a day you celebrate your spiritual forces, both ancestors, both who you are seeing and unseen forces. You need to be doing it because while you celebrate them, you have already built personal relation. You recognize them. Believe me, in the world of spirit, they will always be there to watch your back. If anybody want to harm you, if anybody want to do anything negative to you, they say, no, this is my son in whom I'm well pleased. They will always be there to fight your battle. That is why it's very important for you to be at peace with those whom you know. Very important. So what am I saying? Sacrifice is never a charm. Sacrifice is all about following the natural principles and be at peace with all those natural beings. And after sacrificing, you wait for them to decide in what you ask for. Is it what we can do immediately or what we can do later? Or the answer is no for now for a reason. Example, if you are asking your spiritual forces that you need a car, you need GLK, or you need Benz, and latest Benz. So, and the Yachi and the Yezmo have seen that there is this evil people out there, maybe your uncles, maybe your village guys, that are there. They are so jealous of you. And once you buy GLK, they will pick you up as kidnap you, maybe kill you. Are you following? And they actually have seen the evil mind of those people around you. They actually will say, my son, it's not yet time for you to to buy that GLK because he knows that these evil people around you, their life has only 2 years for them to die or for them to be eliminated in the face of the earth because of their evil mind. Then you actually say, okay, my son, you will not drive GLK now, maybe after 3 years, so that those your enemies, so that they will buy and be out of road for you. But by that, by so you will be thinking that your prayer was never answered. But I can tell you, your prayer is just said, wait, it's not yet time. You know, like children, if we say a child, not yet time, then sometimes they will be there, I want it now, 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 now. Like if you see a toddler, you see a lantern in front of a toddler, it will be going there to touch the light. Even if you are shifting it, you keep on coming. Sometimes some of them will start crying. Leave it till you touch that light. If you try your best, touch that light. Next time, if you see a lantern, you will be running. So what I'm saying is that there is a reason that you feel the Yachi does not guarantee money, that you get money immediately. No. The Yachi has the ability to see what you cannot see. Even if a clammy local tree will not see it. So sometimes we always be on unnecessary haste. You understand? You don't need it. So what you need is be at peace with your spiritual forces. Then work hard. Then sometimes why you are not succeeding is that you don't even know how to ask. You are asked to what do you want Yachi to do for you. You are asking for GLK. Are you okay? What you are asking is not what you should have asked is wisdom. You don't see Solomon, the wisest man on earth, the man that built the temple. Yes. So what did you ask? Did they ask for GLK? Or do you think that something that is equivalent to GLK, modern GLK is not there? He asked for wisdom. You know why? Because with wisdom, you can acquire other things. Because if you ask for money, you are not right. What you should have asked is what is greater than money. And once you ask for that wisdom, that is very important. Application of wisdom brings money. That is why I would refer you to Hosea 4. He said, my people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. Are you following? So vision and knowledge will bring money. So may we understand from today going forward how to always ask aright. Because I can tell you why 50% of people are failing today, because they don't understand how to ask aright. Because if you understand it, sometimes what you need to succeed is knowledge. I remember when I was growing up, I ventured into, because from day one, I told myself that I would succeed. I paid my own price. I took my time to learn virtually everything that I can do. Let me if I tell you about my life, you can have an. Yes. If I tell you how I started, if I tell you that I learned hypertext markup language, yes, CS5. That was that. Yeah, what I'm telling you is that what I learned over 15 years ago, when hypertext markup language is a great thing. Forget the name, it is yellow. My JavaScript, Joomla, and rest of them, and the Premiere Pro and rest of them started coming. But those days we learn it in those days of normal website now. Yes, I learned it. I learned internet marketing. I learned online importation. That's what really made me to be in Abuja. And we importing things from China and US without being there. And I make money from it. I can tell you, what you don't know, it remains a mystery to you. Even when I joined my work, my calling, some of my customers in Abuja, 2 people paid me a huge amount of money for me to give them the contact of those companies I used to buy goods. But this knowledge is what I learned from attending so many trainings and online workshops and conferences in Abuja. So what I just want to mention a few, but what I can tell you is knowledge. But one thing that is very unique about me then is that spiritual exercise, I don't joke with it. Is that during the spiritual exercise, I will always be getting knowledge too. Can't you go and learn this? Can't because I will always tell them that I want to make an impact. I want to be great, and the thing will I will receive the voice. Since you want to be great, go and learn this. Then go and learn that. For by so doing, do you know that even in the year 2013, I have a registered consulting company called Noble Success Consulting. We are into outsourcing and writing proposals and rest of them to many companies. I can tell you website designing. So let me stop here. But what I can tell you, what sacrifice it does for you is to bridge the gap and make you to be at peace with your spiritual forces. Because if you're at peace with your spiritual forces, they will be able to give you the vision, the knowledge you need in order to succeed. Know it today. Stop whenever you offer a Fanta to Ndimiri, you want to be a billionaire. Who told you that once you give them Fanta, you start riding jerky? Yes. You don't that you are giving them those things should be done out of love. Don't expect much. Done out of love. Build personal relation with them. Believe in me, they will reciprocate. Let me stop here. If you have questions into this lecture, or nature family deep consultation, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. Say it tomorrow n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Asị m na ọ bụrụ na ọnwa egburu ọjị eji wee chụ aja, emechaa na ọ ya epu ome. May the blessings of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, be with you and abide with you now and forevermore. Ya gazie, ka emesịa.